First of all, welcome back to you all on our Instagram live session. I, Megha Srivastava, welcome back, welcome you all on My Banker live sessions. So, as we always connected on Wednesday, and we discuss about credit card, their features, how you can apply for the credit card, which and how you can check whether which credit card is good for you, depending upon the features and everything, eligibility, and so many more things that we already discussed in our previous videos. Now, in this video, we're going to discuss how expats can apply for the credit card and whether expats are applicable for applying a credit card or not. So, just stay tuned with me. We'll discuss many more things about the credit card today, about expats today. So, how they can apply for the credit card. Now, as we all know how e-commerce enterprises are growing fast in the today's scenario, and the necessity of cashless transaction also increasing day by day. So in this scenario, in this present scenario, we all know how credit card become vital for all of us, whether it is expats or whether it is localites, to use the credit card in their country. All over the world, I'm not talking about in a particular country, but yeah, all over the world, credit cards are playing a vital role nowadays to manage our expenses, like travel expenses, and managing our benefits, managing our financial obligations, shopping, traveling, and many more things. So yes, credit card are very vital part of our life nowadays. Now let's talk about how expats in UAE can apply for a credit card, what are their eligibility criteria, and how they can apply, which credit card is good for them, and what benefits they can get from their credit card. So we all know having a credit card is very useful and it makes our life a lot of easier. Now we all recognize that picking a good credit card for you is little bit tough. So for that we are here to help you out. We are always here to guide you which credit card is good for you and how you can choose a good credit card for you depending upon the benefits and everything. So, like this is just a genuine advice before applying a credit card. Just make a little homework for yourself that whether what features you are looking in your credit card, and there are different banks in UAE which where policies are different. So different banks, different policies, and they are offering different credit card with different features in the market. Now, this is your responsibility somewhere to check which credit card you are going to apply and what are the eligibility criteria, so that you are not going to be rejected in the first time. Once you do the homework by your own, you will check the eligibility whether you are eligible for that credit card even or not. So let's talk about this detail in like how you can apply, how you can check, especially expats. So talking about expats in the UAE, if they are new, the very basic things to check their monthly income. So if the monthly income is more than 5,000, yes, you are eligible for applying a credit card. Now the other thing is if you are having like your bank transactions. If you are just new in UAE and you are getting cash, you are not getting WPS transaction from your employer as a salary, so you are not eligible basically for applying a credit card. There are two things for expats when they are new to the country. So the very first thing, if they are having cash, if they are receiving cash as a salary, they are not eligible for applying a credit card in any bank of the UAE. If the salary less than 5,000, yes, they are not eligible for applying credit card in any bank with UAE. Once you apply, you will definitely get rejected at the very moment when these things got checked by the bank. Now, the other thing, if you are receiving one or two salary in your bank account through WPS, again, you are not eligible for applying a credit card in UAE. So why I'm more focusing on what things are there with which you got rejected, because when I came across with many of the clients, I just came across they have one or two salary credited in the bank account and they want a credit card. So this is something where you definitely got rejected. So the minimum salary is 3 salaries must be credited in your bank account for applying credit card in the UAE. Now again, it again depends upon the bank to bank. Like there are many banks who are offering credit card with minimum 6 salary in the bank account, 6 WPS salary in bank account. There are few banks who are applying 3. Like if you have 3 salary credited in your bank account by your employer, yes, you are eligible. So it completely depends upon bank to bank whether it is 3 salary they required for 3 salary or 6 salary. So let's understand from the background of the bank like what they checks. So the very first thing bank check is uh, their motto is to make money. If you are not making money in country, so you are somewhere not eligible for them to apply a credit card. So the very first thing they check whether you are eligible, you are applicable, or you are constantly making money through your employer or not by working or anything. So that is why bank checks the 3 salary or 6 salary. So with some bank it is 3 salary, with some bank it is more than 3 up to 6 salary. So once your salary started credited in your bank account, you are eligible. 3 salary is the minimum criteria. Now the other thing is if you have already credit card, if you already holding a credit card, then the thing is your credit bureau. So if you are having less credit score or not or having late payment in last 6 months or last 10 months, you are again not eligible for applying a credit card. So there are different policies for different banks, and we are here to guide you. So if you are new in UAE, you completed your 3 months or you completed your 6 months in UAE, and you're looking for your credit card to manage your expenses, your travel expenses, your shoppings, and many more things, you can just come and contact us. You can take guide from us. We are always here to help you out, and we are always here to guide you for the best credit card you can apply when you are new in the country or whether you are old in the country also. So just take our advice. You can connect with us anytime and we will guide you which credit card is useful for us. We ask you a few questions like what features you are looking in your credit card, like why you going to choose a credit card, like few documents are also required, because again bank to bank policies are different. Few banks are completely digital, so for few banks like CBD, AFAC Finance, which is not a bank but a financial broker. So for CBD, this kind of banks, completely things are digital. There is nothing for documents. There is nothing documents required for these banks. There is application. You can go on the application. You can apply your credit card, and you can check whether you are eligible for the credit card or not. So again, I'm saying one more thing before applying, just do a homework, just check your eligibility for the particular bank, whether you are applicable or not. And if you're facing any kind of problem, just contact us. We will guide you in detail whether you are applicable for particular bank or particular feature or not. So other banks like Mashreq, other banks like Emirates Islamic, they have different policies. We have few documents required from the clients, that is their Emirates ID, their visa, their passport, and their last 3 to 6 month bank uh, transactions, salary bank transactions, so that we can check whether the employer giving salary on time or not. So these are the documents which we require from the client, so to just check whether the client is actually eligible for applying a credit card for that bank or not. So you can anytime come to us, contact us for checking your eligibility, where you are applicable for applying a credit card as expats or as a localites in UAE or not. So yes, this is all about for the expats, how they can apply for a credit card. And just come with us, contact us. I'm always here to guide you all, and we can check your eligibility anytime. So yeah, this is all about how we can apply for expats, how we can apply credit cards for expats. Now in the coming video, we will discuss more about credit card. Stay tuned with me. Thank you so much. Goodbye.